Name and date of birth. Name and date of birth.
The whole time I toured with Barry, I just felt a huge click. I felt very connected with the whole campus. I just thought it was so beautiful, and the education is just fantastic here. And it's a great experience. You make lots of friends and you build great connections. Barry's nursing program is really well known. When you go to a hospital and say that you go to Barry or that you graduated from Barry, they automatically think highly of you. You know, they trust you and they know that you had a good education. I've had it happen a couple times. My love for this job, I am the nursing lab supervisor. So I have a team of workers, and we aid the professors in running nursing simulations. We go through scenarios that relate to the material that we're learning. I became very close with my professors because they're my bosses, which has been very nice because I get to see them in the classroom but also in the work setting, and that's been really helpful. They've become really great mentors to me. When you're able to practice on a simulator before you go in the moment, they feel incredibly real, and it feels like you are the one in the hospital taking care of them in real life. We have a great relationship with the local hospitals, which makes it very easy to figure out where you belong and where you should apply to after graduation.
That was me as a senior. Since graduation, I've landed my dream job as an ER nurse. Barry prepared me so well for the intense environment of the ER, and it also really prepared me to be a truly caring nurse. The relationships and the support systems that you make at Barry, not only with the students but also with the professors, will last a lifetime. Nursing might not be for everybody, but if you think it's for you, Barry's the place to be.